Welcome, fellow plant enthusiasts. I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and I couldn't be more thrilled to bring you another exciting episode of The Foliage Files. In this captivating series, we embark on a botanical adventure, delving deep into the secrets of plant life, sharing practical tips for nurturing our own green companions, and exploring the incredible diversity of plant species from every corner of the globe. Today, we're venturing into the fascinating realm of pots, where we'll unravel the mysteries of choosing the perfect pot material for your beloved houseplants. Just like humans, plants thrive when they have the right home, and the pot you choose plays a vital role in their overall well-being. Plastic, ceramic, metal, or maybe even something more unconventional. The options seem endless. But fear not, dear viewers, as we're here to guide you through this intriguing world of pot materials. We'll explore the unique characteristics of each type, uncover their advantages and disadvantages, and equip you with the knowledge you need to make an informed decision. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or just starting your green journey, this episode is for you. So grab your favorite plant companion, settle in, and prepare to unlock the secrets to finding the perfect pot that not only complements your plant's aesthetics, but also provides the ideal environment for growth and prosperity. But before we dive in, I want to give a special shout out and thanks to Sea Lounge Act for recommending today's topic. Your input is greatly appreciated, and I'm excited to explore this subject with you and our fellow plant enthusiasts. So, without further ado, let's dive into the foliage files and embark on a quest to discover the ideal pot material for your beloved houseplants. Get ready to transform your plant's living space and enhance their overall well-being. Trust me, this is one episode you won't want to miss. As we embark on our quest to find the perfect pot material, let's begin with the lightweight and budget-friendly option, plastic pots. These versatile containers are widely available and favored by beginners and those conscious of their expenses. One of the notable advantages of plastic pots is their insulation properties. They provide a protective barrier for plant roots, shielding them from sudden temperature changes that can be detrimental to their health. Additionally, plastic pots have a knack for retaining moisture, keeping the soil pleasantly moist for extended periods, which can be particularly beneficial for plants that prefer slightly more hydration. However, it's important to be mindful of the potential pitfalls of plastic pots. While their moisture retaining ability is a strength, it can also become a weakness if proper drainage is not ensured. Without adequate drainage holes, excess water may accumulate, leading to waterlogging and potentially causing root rot. Another aspect to consider is airflow. Plastic pots unfortunately don't allow for optimal air circulation around the roots. Adequate airflow is crucial for preventing the buildup of excess moisture, promoting healthy root development, and warding off issues such as fungal diseases. So, when considering plastic pots for houseplants, keep in mind their lightweight nature, affordability, and excellent insulation properties. Just remember to prioritize proper drainage and take extra care to ensure sufficient airflow, as these factors can significantly impact your plant's well-being. Join us as we continue our exploration of pot materials, uncovering the unique characteristics of each type and discovering the best fit for your green companions. Now, let's dive into the captivating world of ceramic pots. Renowned for their aesthetic appeal, if you're seeking a visually stunning addition to your indoor decor, ceramic pots are sure to captivate your imagination. With the vast array of colors, shapes, and sizes available, they offer endless possibilities for expanding your personal style and elevating your plant display. One of the remarkable qualities of ceramic pots is their porous nature, which allows the soil to breathe. This characteristic is crucial for maintaining a healthy root environment by preventing water accumulation and promoting proper drainage. By allowing excess water to evaporate and air to circulate around the roots, ceramic pots help safeguard your plants against the perils of root rot. However, it's important to bear in mind a couple of considerations when opting for ceramic pots. Firstly, their exquisite beauty comes with a trade-off: weight. Ceramic pots tend to be heavier than their plastic counterparts, so you may need to consider this factor when selecting the ideal spot for your plant. Secondly, fragility is another aspect to be cautious of with ceramic pots. The delicate nature of these pots means they can be susceptible to breakage if mishandled or accidentally dropped. It's essential to handle them with care to preserve their beauty and functionality. Additionally, to ensure the health of your plants, it's crucial to confirm that your ceramic pots have adequate drainage holes. Without proper drainage, excess moisture can accumulate in the soil, potentially causing harm to the roots. Always remember to monitor watering habits closely and avoid overwatering to prevent any damage or stress to your beloved green companions. Let's now explore the timeless charm of terracotta pots. Crafted from clay and cherished for centuries, these pots have stood the test of time and continue to be a popular choice among plant enthusiasts. If you have plants that thrive in drier soil conditions, terracotta pots may just be the right fit for you. One of the notable advantages of terracotta pots is their ability to absorb excess moisture from the soil. This quality makes them ideal for plants that prefer a drier environment, as they help regulate soil moisture levels and prevent waterlogging or excessive dampness around the roots. By allowing the soil to dry out between watering sessions, terracotta pots provide a habitat that mimics the natural conditions preferred by these plants. Another benefit of terracotta pots lies in their porous nature, which promotes better airflow around the roots. This improved ventilation helps prevent the buildup of excess moisture, reducing the risk of root rot and other moisture-related issues. The porosity of terracotta also allows for gradual evaporation of water from the pot's surface, helping to maintain a more balanced moisture level within the soil. However, it's important to be mindful of the unique characteristics of terracotta pots. Due to their porous nature, these pots can dry out more quickly than other materials. As a result, regular monitoring and watering may be necessary to ensure that your plants receive adequate hydration. It's essential to strike a balance and avoid allowing the soil to completely dry out, as this can stress or damage the roots. Additionally, it's worth noting that terracotta pots can be more prone to cracking in extreme temperature conditions. The clay material expands and contracts with temperature fluctuations, which can lead to potential damage. To mitigate this risk, it's advisable to provide some insulation or protective measures during periods of extreme cold or heat. Now, let's turn our attention to the contemporary allure of metal pots, crafted from durable materials like stainless steel or aluminum. If you're seeking a touch of modern elegance for your indoor garden, metal pots can effortlessly elevate your plant display. One of the notable advantages of metal pots is their sturdiness and longevity. These pots are built to withstand the test of time, making them a reliable choice for your plant's housing needs. Their sleek and polished appearance adds a sophisticated touch to any setting, complementing a range of interior design styles. Metal pots excel in providing excellent drainage, allowing excess water to flow freely out of the container. This feature helps prevent overwatering and ensures that the soil has the opportunity to dry out between watering sessions. By promoting proper moisture levels and preventing waterlogged soil, metal pots contribute to a healthier root environment for your plants. Just make sure the metal pot has proper drainage holes to facilitate efficient water flow. However, it's important to be aware of the potential heat accumulation in metal pots under direct sunlight. Metal conducts heat efficiently, which means that prolonged exposure to intense sunlight can cause the pot to heat up rapidly. This heat transfer can potentially harm the sensitive roots of your plants. To mitigate this risk, consider placing a layer of insulation, such as a cork pad or felt material, between the metal pot and the surface it rests on. This will help protect the roots from excessive heat and maintain a more suitable temperature within the pot. As we continue our exploration of pot materials, we'll uncover further insights and practical tips to assist you in selecting the perfect containers for your beloved houseplants. As we approach the final step in our quest for the perfect pot, it's crucial to emphasize the significance of considering the specific needs of your houseplants. Each plant has its own unique requirements, and taking these into account when selecting a pot material is key to promoting optimal plant health and well-being. Factors such as water retention, drainage, and insulation play pivotal roles in creating a suitable environment for your plants. Some plants prefer a drier soil, while others thrive in more moisture-retentive conditions. By understanding the watering needs of your plants, you can choose a pot material that aligns with those requirements. For instance, if your plants prefer drier soil, you might opt for a terracotta pot that absorbs excess moisture. On the other hand, if your plant thrives in consistently moist conditions, a plastic pot with good moisture retention properties could be a better choice. Proper drainage is also crucial to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Look for pots with adequate drainage holes to ensure excess water can escape freely. This helps maintain a balanced moisture level within the soil and prevents water from stagnating around the roots. Insulation is another important consideration, especially in extreme temperature conditions. Some pot materials such as ceramic or terracotta provide insulation properties that help protect the roots from temperature fluctuations. This can be beneficial for plants that are sensitive to cold or heat. However, it's essential to monitor the temperature and provide additional insulation if needed to safeguard your plants. In your journey to find the perfect pots, you may discover that a combination of different materials works best for your various plants. Each plant has its own unique preferences, and by customizing the pot material to suit their needs, you can create an environment that fosters growth and vitality. As we conclude our exploration of pot materials, armed with the knowledge of water retention, drainage, and insulation, you are now empowered to make informed decisions when selecting the right pots for your green companions. Remember, it's all about understanding the specific needs of your plants and creating an environment that nurtures their well-being. Now go forth and embark on your pot selection adventure with confidence and excitement. And there you have it, my fellow plant enthusiasts. We've reached the end of this captivating journey through the world of pot materials. I hope you found this video insightful and packed with useful information for selecting the perfect homes for your beloved houseplants. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome gardening tips and tricks. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on future episodes where we explore the wonders of the plant world together. And if you truly love this video and want to show some extra support, consider leaving a little something in the tip jar using the super thanks feature below. Your generosity goes a long way in helping me continue creating more content and sharing my passion of plants with you all. Now, I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Did you find this video helpful? Do you have any questions or tips you'd like to share? Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable, and I love learning from my fellow plant enthusiasts. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate each and every one of you for joining me on this botanical adventure. Remember, keep growing and keep thriving. See you in the next video.